got the photos, guys.
종이 페이퍼.
God, look at this steaming stuff. Gone on our GoPro. Deepu, is it recording? Sorry. क्या बना रहे हो?
आलू का पराठा.
You guys know, 10 minutes ago she was very pissed off. In 2025, I started filming with the GoPro. It gave me the confidence to begin, and these are some of the moments that stayed. Welcome back. So guys, we've reached back to the place where we started.
The say is here.
Bhai, Costa just school?
It's good, but
it's good.
It's electronic in this business lounge. Nothing extraordinary, but not bad. Not sure if this is the subway, but then we'll try to figure it out. Look at the camera. Look at the camera now. So we have met some people in this. Just want to say hi.
We are in Seoul, Yeongdeungpo. Before you take taxi,
Yeah.
they know you are a foreigner, right?
Yeah,
So they you many money.
Yes, yes.
No.
But yeah, thanks for the tip. Yeah.
thank you.
What does that mean?
The best seller, Camo, right? Which is the one? Oh, chamomile tea. We're gonna dig in. Only 4 things on the menu.
English?
You speak English? Speak English?
Fish, egg.
At the world's most dangerous border, as I've been told. So right now we're going for a group photo, no? Cheers. It's cold. I think it's -5 today again. This is the kiosk machine. Oh God, look at the steaming stuff. Cab is here and well, I'm going. Okay, chalo. Bye-bye. Okay, bye. It's an electric car actually, I got to know, right? So to all my viewers, I want to say nice to see you. No, I'm not saying it to you actually. This is the store's name. Nice to see you. Yeah. So I'm looking at the 16 Pro or Pro Max. So you're good? क्या बना रहे हो?
आलू का पराठा.
Parathas are the way to go. Deepu, is it recording?
Yeah.
So guys, hi. Welcome back. Yeah, gaddi vich. And I am excited. Check this out. Actually. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, she's helping us. Yeah. She's really helping us.
먹어봐.
Smell it?
응. 아니, 먹어보라고.
Drink it?
드링크. 네, 줘야지. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
So guys, a lot of effort. ये पानी वाला कैमरा है भाई. So yes guys, welcome back. Very relaxing. And I can see a beautiful sunset. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hello. How wide we are? on our GoPro. Guys, we're in New Market. It's very crowded.
I see a big version of Labubu.
Plus
Chili sauce, garlic sauce.
spicy chicken, cheese and tomato. So yeah, really enjoyed it. And time to go to our next destination. 30 as well. You okay? Cheers. Wow. Hopefully we will remember it. It's at the edge. Among all the locks, may our locks also stay. Guys, so what an experience. White color.
Mommy, no! And this.
Say hi. Hello, hello, hello.
It's good, but